Hi, Teacher Rachel here. The word of the day is flourish. Look at these flowers. They are flourishing. The word flourish is a verb. Flourish means to grow or develop in a healthy way, especially in a friendly environment. For example, I flourish in a creative workplace. The word flourish actually comes from the word flower. Imagine a flower opening and becoming beautiful and big. That's the image that the word flourish creates. What's another example? He flourishes under challenging conditions. Immigrants flourish in wealthy countries that offer them good services and jobs. A synonym of flourish is the word thrive. For example, these plants thrive in the sun. They flourish in the sun. They do very well. The opposite of flourish is languish. For example, she languished at her old job, but now she flourishes at her new job. She flourishes in nature. She languishes in the city. Can you make some sentences with the word flourish? That's it. I hope you enjoyed this word of the day. See you next time.